Welcome to 1542 Falconcrest Drive, a beautiful 3-bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated within Pickering's sought-after Liverpool community. A brick exterior, well-maintained front gardens, as well as an interlocking walkway and steps with aluminum railings gives the home wonderful curb appeal, and through an enclosed front porch is a naturally bright main level with an open concept flow and design that is a delight for entertaining. Ceramic flooring flows from the foyer and into the kitchen area, while gleaming hardwood flooring adds richness and warmth to the combined living and dining rooms. Above the dining area is an elegant light fixture accented with a ceiling medallion. Pot lights brighten the living room, while the huge west-facing bay window allows for abundant natural lighting. And throughout this level is a soft, neutral color palette, giving the rooms a light and airy aura that enhances their spaciousness. Bright, efficiently designed kitchens are a joy for culinary adventures, and this beautiful space showcases a stainless steel double sink and new appliances including a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, built-in dishwasher and microwave, and an oven with smooth cooktop, white cabinetry with ample storage, new quartz counters, as well as glass and stone mosaic tiled backsplashes. The peninsula separates the kitchen from the breakfast area, which is flooded with natural light through 4 windows, as well as through the sliding door walkout, which opens to a fully fenced backyard with mature trees, shrubs, and gardens, as well as a patterned concrete patio area. The foyer has a double coat closet with mirrored sliding doors, and next to it is a powder room with ceramic flooring, a vanity with quartz counter, and an octagonal-shaped accent window. Carrying to the upper level is a curved hardwood staircase, its railing finished with white spindles, and this level features laminate flooring throughout, 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and 2 large windows along the staircase wall that flood the upper hall with natural light. The main 4-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and its vanity is finished with a quartz counter. While both the second and third bedrooms have ceiling fans, good-sized windows that overlook the backyard, and double closets with mirrored doors. The incredibly spacious master bedroom has a double-door entry, east-facing windows, a ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, a bath area with sliding glass shower doors, and a vanity with stone counter. This home has also had many updates within recent years, some of which include the roof, eaves troughs and downspouts, furnace and air conditioning with a centralized humidifier, aluminum capping on the externally exposed patio door and garage frames, as well as a new stone interlocking walkway and steps with new aluminum railings to the front entrance. A carpeted staircase leads to the lower level, which features new cozy broadloom throughout, pot lighting, ample storage, a laundry room with washer, dryer, and ceramic flooring, as well as wainscoting throughout its incredibly spacious recreation area. Walking distance to the Brookdale Centre shopping mall, public transit, and to a highly rated William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall. the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, and is also close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.